1997 right-hand drive Honda Civic CX, 5-speed manual VTEC with headers, cold air intake, MSD ignition and more, DC sway bar, lowered suspension, exhaust, quick release steering wheel, alarm, hidden xenon headlights, S2000 front leather seats, carbon fiber hood, custom wheels.